It's been talked about for years, but until now, no real effort was made to upgrade the NEGRIL clinic. Now, the NEGRIL Chamber of Commerce has made a step towards turning the clinic in a place capable of saving lives.
A ray of hope.
There's music, food, and people indulging, all for a worthy cause.
We have obviously adopted the NEGRIL clinic, and we're trying to upgrade it to a trauma center.
The NEGRIL Chamber is using this International Food and Wine Festival to help raise $150 million needed to upgrade the NEGRIL clinic. The Chamber's president, Daniel GRIZZLE, says it's critical because of the distance to the Savlamar Hospital from NEGRIL. He says everyone will benefit.
Most of the time we haven't got an ambulance available. So for all of us, it's important to have a place where first aid remedy can be administered.
The Chamber was not successful in raising the money it needs, so it's appealing for more donations.
We want to go out and say, we have got X amount, we're looking to raise ourselves quickly, about 40, 50 million. So when we go begging, we can say, this is what we have, and this is what we would like you to contribute.
This might save your life one day. You never know. If you're even passing through NEGRIL, if you work in NEGRIL, if you do business in NEGRIL, we don't know what the future would bring. There could be an accident, there could be sickness, and the clinic might save your life one day. So feel happy to donate, you know.
The Chamber says, as of now, all funds raised will go to upgrading the clinic. I am Kirk Wright with a ray of hope.
A ray of hope.